Hi guys, welcome to the Yum and Fun channel where you can really enjoy food and instruct at the same time. I'm cooking and baking lover. When it comes to watch a tutor, I want easy recipes and tips that everyone can reproduce right away. So Yum and Fun is my dream channel in terms of cooking and baking cause it is easy, clear, practicable and free. I will upload video twice a week, on Wednesday and Saturday, so when you subscribe to my channel, you will get an easy homemade recipe and some advice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to turn on the notification. That's why you won't miss any of video once I upload. Let's dive into it and watch my first video. Enjoy! Kiss and love.